wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best pottery wheels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The compact and powerful design of the US Art Supply LCD tabletop provides a good balance of value and convenience for the sculptor without a lot of room in their workspace. Its LCD readout keeps you in complete control of your speed all the way up to 300 RPM. It comes with a foot pedal and an 11-inch plastic bat. However, the foot pedal can be touchy. At number 7, the large Brent potters can support up to 75 pounds of modelling clay, so it can easily handle any urn, vase or other piece an artist has in mind. Its foot pedal means your hands don't need to do any turning, so you can focus entirely on your craft. It's equipped with a 1/4 horsepower motor and a large splash pan, but replacement parts are expensive. Coming in at number 6 on our list. The mindware for beginners may not produce craftsman-level crockery, but its kid-friendly plastic housing and bi-directional foot pedal operation make it a handy option for aspiring ceramicists to get a feel for the process before investing in a pricier model. It comes with air-dry clay and a safety stop feature. However, the motor stalls frequently. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pottery wheels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Darice stainless steel sculptor is perfect for adding those finishing touches to a piece before firing it, or simply as a stable surface on which to sculpt. It has a broad and heavy base that won't slip or slide around while you're working. It's great for decorating and glazing too, and substantial enough for bigger pieces, but it doesn't spin easily. Halfway up our list at number 4. The faber-castell Studio is a great way to introduce young artisans to the pleasures and challenges of throwing clay. It comes with illustrated instructions and inspiration for putting their creativity to work on their own unique designs. It's designed for ages 8 and up and includes non-toxic synthetic clay. However, the required 4C batteries are not included. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The speedball artista tabletop is a practical solution for the dedicated home sculptor who doesn't have room for a freestanding device. It comes with a long power cord so you can place it anywhere in your studio easily, as well as a cup holder for your finishing solution. It includes some glaze samples and is made from high-impact plastic and steel parts. You can use it standing or seated. At number 2, the US Art Supply ST210 boasts a solid construction that will last you your entire sculpting career, with an all-metal cast and an indestructible base and top. Quality ball bearings allow the surface to spin easily and gain speed at a consistent pace. It's equipped with non-skid rubber boot and a weighted rim for added momentum. It feels well balanced. And taking the top spot on our list. Engineered for stability, the Speedball Big Boss has sturdy steel adjustable legs to bear the weight of up to 150 pounds of clay, making it perfect for those bigger jobs. It features a reversing plug so you can quickly change directions whenever you need to. It boasts full circle splatter coverage, a micro V-belt drive and a highly powerful motor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pottery wheels, or simply click beneath this video.